Hello, I would like to share with you our multi-camera setup using a Holyland wireless video transmitter and the Tally-Lite system. Sa main camera natin ngayon, kasama natin si Kuya John Ray. So ito yung CX350. Powered siya via V-mount battery nandito. Using a D-top cable, papuntang DC-in ng camera. So sa ganitong setup, tumatagal to ng 5 to 6 hours na battery operated. No? So meaning hindi mo na kailangan magsaksak. Pero since available naman yung saksakan, sinaksak na rin namin yung cutting camera dito. Holyland Cosmos C1. So this video transmitter is wirelessly sending the video and audio feed to our video switcher, which is we're going to talk about later on. Sa harap naman niya, makikita nyo itong Tally-Lite. So ito yung topic natin today. So basically, yung gamit ng ating Holyland Tally-Lite is to give yung cue sa ating mga camera operators. Pag naka-green light siya, ibig sabihin lang na naka-standby na yung ating camera sa left side or sa preview monitor ng ating camera director. Pag naka-red light naman na, ang ibig sabihin nito, siya na yung naka-live. Basically, makakapag-focus na yung ating mga camera director para less na yung mga repetitive cues. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ito sinet up. Right here, we have the ATEM Mini Pro and of course, our Tally-Lite system. Then lastly, we have here our router. Ito yung gagamitin natin para mag-communicate yung ating video switcher and the Tally-Lite system.
And in order to do that, i-connect ko lang yung ating Tally-Lite hub papuntang router using a LAN cable. Next, I'll just do the same with our video switcher.
Gagawin naman natin ngayon is alamin natin yung IP address ng ating video switcher para malagay natin dun sa ating Tally-Lite system. So after plugging the USB-C to C cable, nakikita na ng laptop ngayon yung video switcher natin.
With our ATEM control, madedetermine na natin yung IP address ng ating video switcher. After that, open lang natin yung settings ng Tally-Lite hub, IP address, and then input lang natin dito yung IP address ng ating video switcher.
So after inputting the IP address ng ating video switcher sa Tally-Lite hub, we have now a working Tally-Lite system.
Camera 2. Perfect. Very good.